Hello, students. I think you are doing well, and during the time of lockdown, you are practicing. That's great. Please follow the routine like schools and practice and practice and practice. So, at first, our Vandana Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara. गुरुर् साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः शुक्लं ब्रह्म विचार सार परमा आद्यं जगद्व्यापिनीं वीणा पुस्तकधारिणीम् अभयदां जाढ्यन्धकारापहां हस्ते स्फाटिकमालिका विदधतीं पद्मासने संस्थितां वन्दे तां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं बुद्धिप्रदां शारदां न चौर्यहार्यं न च राजहार्यं न भातृभाज्यं न च भारकारी व्यये कृते वर्धत एव नित्यम् विद्याधनं सर्वधनं प्रधानं विद्याधनं सर्वधनं प्रधानम्. Okay, my dear Alpha students. So, in previous lessons, we have discussed about Group A and Group B questions. Group A carries 15 marks, Group B carries 26 marks. And now today, we will be discussing about Group C. Group C carries altogether 6 questions. So 6 threes are 18. So 18 marks will be asked. That's why you have to be very much effective while writing the answers. You have to make your answers very easy so that you can get better marks. I know you are going to deserve GPA 4 in coming SE. Please practice, continue your effort. We are together with you. Okay, so question number 15, Group C. Group C, how much marks? 18 marks. It means how many questions? 6 questions. Okay, friends, let me read the question number 15 and I will give you the answer. So I'm solving one set and I'm giving you some sets to do so that it will be more practice for you. Ready? Let's begin. Question number 15 says, it's from the chapter Light. Redraw the given ray diagram and complete it. Also write two natures of the image formed along with its one application. Okay, so here is one diagram. The diagram is image formed by convex lens. Image formed by convex lens. Optical center O, principal focus, radius of curvature, principal focus, radius of curvature. Where is the image? We have to calculate. The object is given beyond 2f. With the object beyond 2f. First of all, draw a ray diagram parallel to the principal axis. It is also given in question, and another ray is also given up to O. Okay, remember, when the object lies in front of 2f, make your concept clear, image is formed just in front of 2f in another side of lens. So how does the ray diagram go? It passes from f and so here arrow, it passes from here and I think this f should be little bit here to f. Where are they joining? They are joining in this point. So AB object, A prime, B prime is image. Object, image. So we have completed the ray diagram. So it seems a bit unclear. Right here F. And question says, what type of image is formed? Okay, nature of image. Nature of image. What do you think? What image is it? Real image or virtual image? Right, it is real image. Number second, real image is always inverted. Inverted. And third one is, it is, what do you think? Diminished. Diminished. It means smaller than the object. Nature of image, completion of ray diagram completed. Now it is said, write its one application. So what is application? This is used to observe the microorganisms in lab. It is used to observe the microorganisms in laboratory. So if you are able to do these three things, you will get 3 marks. This is the solution of question number 15. Okay, shall I read it out? Okay, now number 16. What does question number 16 say? Question number 16 says, draw a diagram of a step-up transformer and mention its 82 parts. Question number 16. 16 answer. Step-up transformer. Step-up transformer, what does it do? It increases the supplied AC voltage. It means you have to draw the core of the transformer, and if you show this diagram, it shows that this is input AC voltage, and step up means there must be more number of turns in secondary coil. That's why you can draw like this. Okay, this is primary coil, and what can we show? This is primary voltage. Primary coil, primary voltage, and you can show here secondary coil. If you are able to draw this diagram, then you will be getting how many marks? 3 marks. That's right. So step up transformer. Don't forget to show this symbol. This is input voltage. So in most of the transformers, the input voltage is 220 volts. Okay, students. Now, what do we discuss? Question number 17. Question number 17. What does the question say? How will you manufacture ammonia gas on industrial scale? Write with balanced chemical equation. So, manufacture of ammonia gas in industrial state. Industrial means in a large quantity. Question number 17, answer. First of all, reaction. What is the reaction that involves doing it? N2 plus H2. Nitrogen plus hydrogen. But some conditions are there. So 200 to 900 atmospheric pressure. 200 to 900 ATM means atmospheric pressure. 500 degrees centigrade. Fe as catalyst. MO as promoter. Then we get here 2NH3. Then write here 3. This is a chemical reaction. So manufacture of ammonia. Ammonia gas is manufactured industrially by heating nitrogen gas and hydrogen gas in presence of Fe as catalyst and Mo as promoter. Atmospheric pressure of 200 to 900 atm should be supplied, and it should be heated up to how much degree centigrade? 500 degree centigrade. Actually, this is Haber's process. What is this? Haber's process. Habers. Haber's process. A scientist named Haber. He propounded this technique for the first time. So it is called Haber's process. N2 plus 3H2, 200 to 900 atm, 500 degrees centigrade, FeMO, 2NH3. Atmospheric pressure, temperature, catalyst and promoter. So you need to explain well. So ammonia gas is manufactured industrially by heating nitrogen gas and hydrogen gas in presence of Fe as catalyst and Mo as molybdenum, okay, as promoter. Atmospheric pressure of 200 to 900 atm should be supplied and it should be heated up to 500 degree centigrade. Okay students, number 17 is over. Now we are in question number 18. What does the question number 18 say? Question number 18 says, how is compost fertilizer made? Explain. Question number 18, answer. So, manufacture of compost fertilizer. So how is compost fertilizer made? So compost fertilizer is made by using organic substances. Here organic substances means what can we use? We can use animal dung, plant residue, right? So animal dung and plant residue like leaves, hay, straw, etc. are kept in a ditch. Animal dung, we can use your cow dung, buffalo dung, poultry and other animals' dung, and plant residue like leaves, hay, straw, etc. are kept in a ditch. Then it is covered with a soil. With soil, some amount of lime can be added. What can we do? We can add some amount of lime. After 4 to 6 weeks, it decays and changes into what? Compost fertilizer. So while making compost fertilizer, we can keep one bamboo stick to supply or to provide air also. Without using bamboo stick also it can be done. But if bamboo stick is used, the fertilizer is made faster. So manufacture of compost fertilizer, animal dung and plant residue, leaves, hay, straw, etc. are kept in the ditch. Then it is covered with soil. Some amount of lime, calcium oxide, can be added so that it gets decayed quickly. After 4 to 6 weeks, it decays and changes into compost fertilizer. So if you are able to write this much, you will get 3 marks. Okay. Question number 18 is completed. Now we are in question number 19. Question number 19. It's from heredity. Question says, pea plants with red flower, capital R, and white flower, small r, are cross-pollinated first, then self-pollinated. What will be the color of flower in first and second generation of that pea plants, and why? Write with necessary chart of filial generation. What is done? A cross is made between pure red flower pea plant and white flower pea plant, and the offsprings are self-pollinated. And question says, what type of pea plants are found in first generation and second generation? But we should write with suitable chart. Okay, question number 19. Answer. So let pure red flower pea plant be, what are they? Capital R, and pure white flower pea plant B R, small r. That is genotype, right? Presence of genes. So you just write the chart, capital R, here small r, here is cross. So what type of gametes are found here? R. What are the gametes? Small r. These are parents. Who are they? These are parents. Then who are they? These are the gametes. Now you are crossing them, means we get here R. Next R. See, genotype is same. R means that is hybrid red. So this is F1 generation. So this is hybrid red. Here we can see similar type of offsprings. No variation is seen. Now from here we can take any two. So let's take these two, R and R. Here R and R. Let's cross. R goes with R. So here is R. I have taken first. This is self-pollination. Why self-pollination? Because they possess similar genes. This is pure red, and R goes with small r, hybrid red. Small r goes with capital R. This is hybrid red. And here small r, pure white. Okay, students. What is this? This is F2 generation. Or second filial generation. In first filial generation, all the offsprings are same. No difference here. 100% phenotype and 100% genotype. So no variation is seen. In F1 generation, 100% plants are hybrid red and 100% possess capital R, small r. These are hybrids only. But in F2 generation, there is phenotype ratio and genotype ratio. Look at here. Here is given pure red, hybrid red, pure white. Means phenotype. Phenotype is 3:1. Why 3:1? 3 red, 1 white. So phenotype is 3:1. Genotype is according to gene. Here is 1 RR, capital RR is to 1 2. 2:1. Phenotype 3:1. Genotype 1:2:1. But in this case, there is no variation in phenotype and genotype. So they are of similar characteristics. Okay, so if you are able to do this, then you will get 3 marks. So let pure red flower pea plant be capital RR and pure white flower pea plant be small r. So this chart, so capital R will get the gametes RR, small r will get the gametes RR, and just cross them. Capital R small r, capital R small r, capital R small r, capital R small r, hybrid red, F1 generation. Now here I have taken out of these 4 any 2, RR and capital R small r, the gametes are separated, and here capital R small r goes with R, R goes with R, R goes with R, goes with R. But I said R, but capital small, pure red, hybrid red, pure white. So what is written here? Phenotype 3:1, genotype 2:1. Okay, so remember this chart. I say many times, questions are very easy. You need to make your answers much more easier. Okay, students, you need to try such type of questions. Like this question was about red and white. You can practice black and white. You can practice tall and short. Understood? Then you will be confident. If you are confident, there is no one who is not going to provide you A+ marks. Everybody will provide you, but you have to make your answers very simple to get dimple marks. Okay. Now question number 20. Question number 20 says, how does air pollution inhibit biological growth of plants? Explain. Number 20, answer. So what is air pollution? Air pollution is the condition at which the quality of air is deteriorated by mixing harmful substances in it, right? And when the air is polluted, at that time, what happens? The plants, they do not get sufficient oxygen, they do not get sufficient carbon dioxide, and their leaves are covered with some thicky substances, and they may not be able to respire. Understood? Okay, due to air pollution, some substances are deposited on the leaves of plants. They may block the stomata. As a result, the plants may not get sufficient O2 and CO2. Remember here, plants need O2 as well as CO2. They need O2 for respiration, they need CO2 for photosynthesis. For their growth, oxygen also needed, carbon dioxide also needed. In the same way, due to air pollution, plants may not get more sunlight, so the rate of photosynthesis becomes slow. They cannot or they can't manufacture sufficient food. It inhibits their growth. Okay, so question says, how does air pollution inhibit biological growth of plants? It's here. Due to air pollution, some substances are deposited on the leaves of the plants. They may block the stomata. As a result, the plants may not get sufficient oxygen and carbon dioxide. In the same way, due to air pollution, plants may not get more sunlight, so the rate of photosynthesis becomes slow. They cannot manufacture sufficient food. It inhibits their growth. So, if no more food is produced, then the plants, different parts, do not grow well and their growth is blocked. Or they grow very slowly, not in normal way. Okay, students. So, what have we discussed today? We have discussed today group C from question number 15 to question number 20. Now, one thing I want to tell you, I have brought one slok from Sanskrit. What are the characteristics of students? What are the characteristics of these students? The characteristics of students are Kaka chesta bako dhyana, swana nidra tathaiva cha, alpahari griha tyagi, vidyarthi panchalakshana. Swana nidra means like कुकुरको जस्तो निद्रा हुनु, बकको ध्यान, बकुलाको जस्तो ध्यान गर्न सक्नु पर्यो, कागको जस्तो चेष्टा हुनु पर्यो, एकदम चलाक हुनु पर्यो, अल्पाहारी थोरै खानु पर्यो र घर छोडेर टाढा गएर पढ्नु पर्यो. यी चाहिँ विद्यार्थीका लक्षण हुन्. सो तिमीहरूमा यो गुणहरू हुनुपर्छ.